Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically record a dance video on RH Studio. So put on some outfits. Then you are going to go to the settings tab here. And you're going to go to camera mode and you can either follow head or body. And you can also do the micro one here. I'm just going to zoom out just a little bit. And then I like to blur the background as well. Select a dance move. You do have to do this like really quick because you have to like hide the UIs that are here. Select one. I'm just going to do super shy. Go to settings and then select hide UI and just record the dance move. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.